Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 9, subject hand mathematics, chapter name equation, exercise 5.1, lecture 1. Today's lesson, to solve quadratic equations is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That's mean quadratic equations with one variable. Here variable x and a, b, c are fixed number that are constant. Identify the equations involving square roots and solve the equations involving square roots. Okay, now follow quadratic equations of one variable and their solutions. We know values of variables for which both sides of an equation are equal are called roots of that equation, and these values satisfy the equation. That's mean a quantity which satisfy a equation, that are roots or solutions of this equation. Okay, linear mean power will be 1. That's mean a equation power of variable will be 1. Clear? And we had already solved linear equation in class 8, and that are also discussed in secondary algebra book. Okay, that's mean solve simple simultaneous equations. Clear? Now we'll solve quadratic equations of one variable we'll solve. Okay, a quadratic equation of one variable, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, can be solved easily after factorizing the left hand side of the equation if the roots are rational. But all expression cannot be factorized easily. That is why the following procedure is used to solve the quadratic equations of any form. Okay, we'll solve the quadratic equation. That's mean ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Multiplying on both sides by a, as a result here will be a square x square, here will be abx, and here will be ac. Now we'll make a formula. This equal to, we can write ax whole square. Here ax consider as a, as a result here will be 2 into a mean ax, into b by 2. As here is abx, so 2 cut will get abx. Okay, but this is a form a plus b whole square, like this formula. As a result here will be 2ab, a mean ax, b mean b by 2. So here will be plus b by 2 whole square, but b by 2 whole square, this is absent in this equation, so we have to vanish this. As a result we have to take here minus b by 2 whole square. Okay, and plus ac. Now this makes formula a plus b whole square, a mean ax, b mean b by 2 whole square, and this convert into right side. Here will be b square by 4, and here will be minus ac, and after calculating this part, here will be b square minus 4ac divided by 4, and here same, that's mean ax plus b by 2 whole square. Now ax plus b by 2, this equal to plus minus a square root over b square minus 4ac by 2, or ax this equal to minus b by 2 plus minus a square root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2, just calculation. Okay, therefore x is equal to, here after calculating here will be minus b plus minus a square root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. As here is a, so after converting This into right side, here will be 2 into a. Okay. Therefore, the two values of x are, one is x1, this is equal to minus b plus square root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and another one will be minus b minus square root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here follow within square root. Within square root mean b square minus 4ac. This determine the state and nature of this equation. Of this equation mean ax square plus bx plus c. That's mean the roots will be what kind? As b square minus 4ac determine the state and nature of the roots of this equation. So this is called discriminant. This is called discriminant. Clear everyone? That's mean b square minus 4ac. This is a discriminant of this equation. That's mean the inside part of square root. Inside part of square root, that is a discriminant. You have to remember. And this determines the state and nature of the roots of this equation. Okay? Now follow nature of the roots of this quadratic equation depending on the condition of the discriminant. Here discriminant b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0 means like as 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 etc. And is perfect square. And is perfect square means either 1 or 4 or 9 or 16 like as. Then the two roots of the equation are real, unequal and rational. Okay? You have to remember this, and I will solve related this condition. Okay? Now follow more condition. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0 but is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square mean like as 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 etc. The roots of the equation are real, unequal and irrational. Okay? And if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, hence the roots of this equation are real and equal. In this case, the part related is square root that will be absent because b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. As a result, x is equal to minus b by 2. That's mean two roots of this equation are equal. For number, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots of the equation are not real. That's mean that is imaginary, that is conjugate complex number. Okay. Now follow example 1. Solve x square minus 5x plus 6 this equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c, this equal to 0. Here a mean 1, b mean minus 5 and c mean 6. So the solutions of the equation are x is equal to minus b, b mean minus 5 plus minus square root over b square, b mean minus 5 whole square, minus 4ac, a mean 1 and c mean 6 divided by 2a, a mean 1. This equal to will get here minus minus plus, so here will be plus 5 and here plus minus square root over 25 minus 24 divided by 2. Here will be plus minus 5 plus minus root 1. This equal to 5 plus minus 1. And this equal to will get x is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2, 5 minus 1 by 2. One is 3 and another one is 2. Follow here. One number condition was discriminant greater than 0 and is perfect square. One is perfect square number, so square root over 1 mean 1, and which is greater than 0, the roots will be real. 3 and 2 are real number. Unequal mean here 3, here 2 unequal and also rational. 3 and 2 both are rational number. Clear everyone? Okay, now follow another problem. X square minus 6 x plus 9. Comparing with this equation, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 9. Hence we obtain x is equal to minus b. Here b mean minus 6, so here will be minus 6 plus minus square root over b square minus 4ac. A mean 1, c mean 9. This equal to will get 6 plus minus square root over 36 minus 36. 36 minus 36, this equal to 0. And we know 3 number condition was discriminant this equal to 0, then the root of this equation will be equal. As a result, after calculating this, 6 divided by 2 mean 3. So 3 mean value of x1 will be 3, x2 also will be 3. As this is a quadratic, so roots of this equation will be 2 and both are 3 and equal. Clear? And also real. 3 number, solve x square minus 2x minus 2. Very easy lesson. Okay, just you have to remember the formula of a quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c. Always have to compare with this. That means here will be a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 2. Therefore the two roots are x is equal to 2 plus minus a square root over minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. That means b square minus 4 ac. After calculating this part, here 2 plus minus a square root over 4 plus 8, that is equal to square root over 12. And 12, this is greater than 0 and not perfect square number. As a result, root will be real, unequal and irrational. Root 3 irrational number. So root 3 plus something or minus something, that also will be irrational number. So now follow here 2 plus minus 2 root 3 by 2. We can take common here 2. As a result, here will be 2 into 1 plus minus root 3 by 2. Root 2 to cut, here will be 1 plus minus root 3. This equal to, you can write 1 plus root 3 comma 1 minus root 3. That's mean condition number 2, discriminant greater than 0 and is not perfect square number. Root will be real, unequal and irrational. Real, unequal, as here is 1 plus root 3, here 1 minus root 3. Both are not equal, that's mean unequal and irrational. As here is root 3 is a rational number, also here is root 3 is an irrational number. Clear everyone? Okay. 4 numbers, solve 3 minus 4x minus x square. Again, we'll compare with ax square plus bx plus c, this equal to 0. We get a is equal to here minus 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 3. And x is equal to, will get minus b plus minus square root over b square minus 4ac. Same formula, just calculation. Here 4 plus minus square root over 16 plus 16, 12. This equal to 4 plus minus square root over 28 divided by minus 2. Now this equal to, will get minus 2 plus minus square root over 7. This equal to, will get minus 2 root 7, that is x1, and here will be x2, or we can write here only x. Here will be x2, this equal to minus 2 plus square root over 7. Here square root over 7, that is irrational number. Also this is irrational number. Here minus 2 minus 7 and minus 2 plus 7. This and this are not equal. This is real. That's mean when discriminant here 28 mean greater than 0 and is not perfect square number. So the roots of this equation will be real, unequal and irrational. Clear everyone? So follow this. You can easily solve exercise 5.1, 1 up to 9. Okay, and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 30/5/2021, time 11 a.m. Today up to this. Thank you to all everyone. Goodbye.